Here are some amazing facts about the long-eared owl. Scientific name, Asio otus. Family, they belong to the Strigidae family, known as true owls. Long ears, the ears are not actual ears but tufts of feathers on their heads. Actual ears, their real ears are asymmetrically placed, aiding in pinpointing prey. Camouflage, their mottled brown and buff coloration helps them blend perfectly into tree bark. Size, they are medium-sized owls, typically 12 to 15 inches 30 to 38 centimeters long. Wingspan, long-eared owls have a wingspan of 35 to 40 inches 90 to 100 centimeters. Weight, they weigh between 7.8 to 15.3 ounces 220 to 435 grams. Distribution, found in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia and North Africa. Migratory, some populations migrate southward during the winter, especially in colder regions. Habitat, prefer woodlands, forests, and areas near open grasslands or fields. Roosting habits, they often roost in dense coniferous trees or shrubs during the day. Nocturnal, primarily active at night, hunting, and flying silently. Silent flight, their feathers have serrated edges, reducing turbulence and allowing near-silent flight. Diet, mainly eat small mammals like voles, mice, and shrews. Occasional diet, may also hunt small birds, insects, and bats. Hunting style, they hunt by flying low over open fields and listening for prey. Vision, have excellent night vision, aiding in nocturnal hunting. Facial disc, their facial disc helps funnel sound to their ears, enhancing hearing. Territorial, they can be quite territorial during breeding season. Breeding season, typically breeds in the spring, between March and May. Nesting, they do not build their own nests but often use old nests of other birds, such as crows or hawks. Clutch size, females lay between 3 to 8 eggs. Incubation, the incubation period lasts around 25 to 30 days. Chicks, hatchlings are covered in white down and are fed by both parents. Fledging, young owls leave the nest after about 21 to 26 days but are not fully independent for several more weeks. Monogamous, they are generally monogamous during the breeding season. Lifespan, in the wild, they live an average of 10 years, though some can live much longer. Predators, main predators include larger birds of prey like eagles, hawks, and other owl species. Threats, habitat loss and human disturbances are significant threats. Population, global population is stable but varies in different regions. Vocalization, males make a series of deep, hooting calls to attract mates. Defense mechanism, when threatened, they elongate their bodies and erect their ear tufts to resemble a tree branch. Diurnal roosts, during the day, they roost in dense foliage, remaining still and silent. Eyes, their eyes are orange-yellow, giving them a piercing gaze. Name origin, the long-eared part of their name refers to their ear tufts, which are prominent. Flight pattern, they have a buoyant, silent flight, making them efficient nocturnal hunters. Molding, they undergo an annual mold, replacing their flight feathers gradually. Longevity in captivity, they can live over 20 years with proper care. Group roosting, during winter, long-eared owls may form communal roosts, sometimes with other owl species. Torpor, they can enter a state of torpor during extreme cold to conserve energy. Eyesight adaptation, their eyes are fixed in their sockets, requiring them to move their entire head to look around. Head rotation, they can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees in either direction. Seasonal plumage, their feathers can appear slightly darker or lighter depending on the season. Foot structure, Their feet are zygodactyl, meaning they have 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backward for better grip. Courtship. Males perform aerial displays and deliver food to females as part of their courtship rituals. Chick mortality. The youngest chicks sometimes die in large broods if food is scarce. Adaptability. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats. Urban owls. In some areas, long-eared owls have adapted to living near human settlements. Fossil records. Fossil evidence suggests long-eared owls have existed for over 2 million years. Cultural significance. Owls, including the long-eared owl, are often considered symbols of wisdom or mystery in various cultures. Banded owls. Owls that are banded for research have shown that some individuals travel thousands of kilometers during migration. Winter behavior. In winter, they can form loose colonies, often roosting in groups for warmth. Parasites. Like many birds, long-eared owls can be hosts to parasites, including mites and lice. Insect hunting. They sometimes catch large insects like beetles and moths in the summer months.